What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It has been a while. Feels like it's been a while. I think it's been a month now. But yeah, expect ramp build videos every single month. Today is gonna be special. We're gonna be building a kicker ramp, 2-stair Euro grass gap to downward mani pad. First step, as always, we gotta go to Home Depot. We're gonna get two $26 4x8 planks of wood. We're gonna cut both of them long ways in the middle, straight across, and then we're gonna go to Matt's at his private skate park. We're gonna build the ramp and then we're gonna skate it. I've created a group chat on Instagram with all the local homies so I could tell them in advance when these ramp builds are. So hopefully some people show up. If not, that's cool. I'm still gonna get clips on it. So let's get it. All right, I got my wood. This came out to a total of $80. So what you're seeing here is actually 3 planks of wood cut down the middle. I went ahead and got an extra one. I later found out that 2 was just enough. So if you were to go to the store and get 2, it would actually come out to a total of $54. So if I can do this at $80, so can you. Even if you don't have $80 to spend on your ramp build, I'm pretty sure that you could find some wood laying around somewhere at a family friend's house, on Marketplace. You can find some wood if you really try. Just so you could get a better visualization of the ramp, just from that cut from that piece of wood, I already got the shape. So this is going to be the kicker ramp side, 2-step Euro gap to downward mani pad. So I'm going to trace out this shape for the next ramp, and then if all goes to plan, then I'll have this exact shape right here. And then we'll get our beams, put them across the entire ramp, lay the top piece on, and then put the grass on, and then we should be done. All right, I'm just using these beams from my previous ramp builds. These were left over from that, so I'm gonna use this. And I'm probably gonna have to run back to the store to get some more wood like this for the kicker ramp side. But this is just gonna be for the Euro mani pad side. So once I build this, then we're gonna go back to Home Depot, to the nearest hardware store, and then we're gonna make some wood for that. And which actually I might change that because I see a long piece of wood over there. I might just use that for the beams over there and those. So yeah, I think we got enough. I think we got what we need. Let's get back to it. These screws at Home Depot, it comes with a bit that matches these screws, and so we're gonna use these. All right, I forgot to add a beam right here. So easy fix. I'm gonna lay this right here. I'll drill right there. Then I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'm gonna add some beams right here. And then I'm going to put the grass on top, and then I'm gonna get the metal from my other ramp over there and put it at the bottom of this ramp. And then it should be done. I've been listening to y'all's feedback on the videos, and a lot of you want to hear like a voiceover as I'm building. So starting with the next ramp build video, I am gonna have a wireless mic attached to me while I'm building. Just don't want you guys to think that I'm not listening or I don't care about what you guys have to say about the ramp builds. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you like this content, and yeah, peace out. Have a good day.